everyone, this is Cherry. In this video, I'm going to introduce you a snack vending machine. First, let's look at its screen. It's 22 HD touch screen. As we can see, there are 3 different language options: French, English, and Chinese. You can select from these 3 languages. Language can be customized according to needs. Now, let's open the door and take a look at its trays and slots. There are 6 trays and the slots are spiral slots, compatible with chips, bottled or canned drinks, and snacks. The slots are deeper than standard ones and can hold 1 more bottle. The pickup door is widened and is compatible with large products. Large storage space greatly improve replenishment efficiency. Different payment methods are possible: card payment, banknotes, coins, QR code payment actor. It's a very practical machine and it looks great. You can also paste a nice sticker to the machine. If you want to buy a vending machine, buy TCN vending machine.